Hello students, good morning. Welcome to Education Express. I'm Lopamudra Das. As per my commitment, I told you after completion of all the parts of the noun, I will discuss the very miscellaneous or top questions on noun. Okay, and now this is the time to discuss all the possibility questions which are coming in the exam mostly. Okay, तो आम स्टार्ट करिबा टॉप क्वेश्चंस जोटार बेस डिमांड रोचे ये सब टाइप क्वेश्चंस आसीपे एंड हाँ ऑलरेडी आसी राइट किसी भी प्रीवियस इयर्स क्वेश्चंस अच्छे तो आम डिस्कशन करवा वन बाय वन वॉच द वीडियो केयरफुली सो दैट यू कैन क्लैरिफाई योर डाउट ओके सो स्टार्ट करवा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन भलरे देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन अच्छी A number of people are suffering from bleeding and pain in gums, which is happening because of a particular bacteria. Again, a number of people are suffering from bleeding and pain in gums, which is happening because of a particular bacteria. So, इथे हमें कौन error है पारे, right? A number of people वो तो ठीक अच्छी because here it is number of people plural अच्छी are suffering from bleeding and pain. Okay, phrase अच्छी then which is happening because of a particular bacteria. So as we are considering here about the noun, so you have to emphasize on noun particularly in the sentence. Okay, तो हमें देखिए ये है of a particular bacteria. Okay, which is happening because of a particular bacteria. So गोटे बैक्टेरिया जोटा प्रॉब्लम होची पेन रोची गम्स रोची ओके सो इट हमें देखिबा कि ऑज राइट हियर इट इज एन आर्टिकल अ सो अ जेतु रोची इफ देयर इज एन आर्टिकल ए तो आमे नाउन नबा सिंगुलर ठीक अछि तो बैक्टेरिया यस बैक्टेरिया हियर इट इज द प्लूरल नाउन okay here the bacteria it is plural and we have to make it singular कहीं ना जेहेतु देछि ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर तो बैक्टेरिया सिंगुलर होछि कोन ना बैक्टेरियम ओके गाइस प्लीज फोकस ऑन हियर राइट एंड हियर इट इज बैक्टेरियम क्लियर कहीं ना जेहेतु सेठी गोटे आर्टिकल देछि ए तो ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर बैक्टेरियम ना कि बैक्टेरिया bacteria is commonly it is the plural form of the noun. Then next question jiba Priya will not attend the meeting since she has many works to complete within allotted time. Okay, so Priya will not attend the meeting since she has here the person is Priya, so here you have to use the pronoun she instead of Priya. Okay, so Priya will not attend the meeting since she has many works to complete. See, work is the uncountable noun, isn't it? So सबुबले गोटे जिनस मन रखता द थिंग व्हिच इज काउंटेबल राइट सपोज मैं कहबी बुक पेन तो आम तार प्लूराल फॉर्म यूज कर बाय एडिंग एस विथ द पर्टिकुलर वर्ड ताहले जो नाउनटा काउंटेबल तार आम प्लूराल फॉर्म ए सॉरी ये अपीयरेंस रे हमें नहीं पारिबा बट द वर्ड व्हिच इज अनकाउंटेबल वी कैन नॉट टेक द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर वर्ड सो हियर we can use not we can we must use Priya will not attend the meeting since she has many work. Okay, since she has many work, that means here we have to make the word as a what, as a singular. We cannot use it, you cannot use it as a plural. So Priya will not attend the meeting since she has many work to complete within allotted time. Okay, I hope you understand why. Because now here work is an uncountable noun, so here we cannot take the plural form or by adding s. So part amar b part error rochi. Okay, the next question ko jiba, coming to the next one. Although she has studied English for almost a year, she is yet to learn the alphabets. Again, I am repeating the sentence. Although she has studied English for almost a year, she is yet to learn the alphabets. Again here, alphabet. Alphabet again here it is the uncountable now. See, so we cannot take the plural form by adding s with the word. Okay, but here the word must be alphabet. तो error रहुची आमर part C रे. Next question. the orders of his transfer has been issued by the authority. By the authority the orders कहीं ना हम already कही right orders सबबेले plural form रे रहबा the orders of his transfers right here particularly the order is used as a plural form. So the orders of his transfer जदि गोटे नाउन सेंटेंस रे जदि नाउन टा प्लुराल रहउची तो ऑफ कोर्स verb भी प्लुराल रहइबो. So here the orders of his transfer not here it is not has. Okay, so instead of has we can use here have. Why? Now the noun here the noun is it is in plural form. So plural noun पाइंका plural form of the verb आमे use करिबा. So next ताले error आमे कहि परिबा the error is in part C have been issued. Next, ledgers are indispensable tools for the delicate eyes surgery. Ledgers वो तो ठीक है ledgers are indispensable tools for the delicate eye surgery. Here it is see what is eyes यार see eye surgery ना तो इठी right आमे कहि परिबानी कि like suppose if I'll take an ordinary example. I have brought a toothpaste right I'm just सेटा कहूचे ना कि toothpaste कहूचे but we are not telling toothpaste. Why? Because here when we are using something like particularly particularly related or something especially something is attached. Okay, so here we must use the singular noun. आमे टूथपेस्ट like आमे टूथपेस्ट कहूने आमे genuinely आमे टूथपेस्ट कहूचे exactly. So eyes के plural form हवानी rather the answer here the particularly or the right answer will be eye. Ledgers are indispensable tools for the delicate eye surgery. Nagi eye surgery guys. So here the mistake is in part D. Okay, by mistake I have skipped the option A, B. Clear? So that is not an issue. You have to focus where is the error actually. And in this session you will learn how to detect the error in the questions of a particular session after clearing all the rules of the noun. Okay, so again कहुची the eyes हवनी the right answer कौन होची I. कहीं ना आमके singular noun नबाको पड़िबा. जदि plural नौजे तो सेटा wrong होची guys. So you have to remember the rule properly. Okay, then coming to the next question. Alms are given to the poor. Actually in previous class so far as I have remember I think I think I took the example before. So here the sentence is alms are given to the poor. Okay, alms are giving to the poor. So again the poor, the rich, the aristocratic, okay, the prosperous, the well to do, right. तो आमे ए टाइप रो जिते बळे adjective रहुचे okay तो आमे तारो plural form this is we need not to take the plural form of the noun. Right, तो like आमे directly कहि परिबा alms are giving to the poor. So here we have to delete. Okay, that is s. You can't use here s because this is the wrong uses. The right use is the poor, the rich, the aristocratic, the prosperous, the affluent. Okay, so it is wrong rohuchi jodi ame part jo part re bi thau the poor's error will be that part. Then coming to the next question. The table's legs have been elaborately carved. ଏଇଟା ବି ମୁଁ आपनी कहि सारी छी प्रीवियस क्लास रे. तो ये मैटर रोची कोटा हमर लिविंग थिंग्स आ कोटा नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. मैं एग्जांपल देई थिले जदी हमें कहबे कि श्रियार ड्रेस द श्रियास ड्रेस. Why it is Shriya's dress? Because here Shriya is a living, right? Shriya is like human being. So here we can use Shriya's dress. But here it is given na, here it is telling like the table's legs. So here we cannot use or we cannot say like table's legs. Rather we will say right the legs of the table. So mind it carefully. So we cannot use the table's legs. Why? Because here it is the possessive. So instead of the possessive we can use the legs of the table. कहीं ना टेबल ये हूँ नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स तर रूल कहूनी रूल रूल आमको कहूँ वी हैव टू ओबे वी हैव टू फॉलो or want to follow the rules that as table it is here it is a non-living thing so you have to use the legs of the table so the full sentence is the legs of the table have been elaborately carved okay I think बुझे पार्थिव आपण माने then coming to the next question the driver showed great talent in keeping the damaged car under control driver এটা ঠিক আছে noun then showed verb the great talent in keeping the damaged car under control see we here it may be a puzzle for us that what is the difference between the two words what is the difference between the two words talent what is the difference between the two words talent and another word is what skill okay so there are two different words talent and skill so talent means what talent ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କହୁଛେ after born right like ଆମେ ଯଦି like from born ଯଦି ଆମେ କହିବା କି like ଜନ୍ମରୁ ଯଦି ଆମେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ suppose by like dance like sing dancing singing painting ତ ଆମେ ତାକୁ talent କହିବା କିନ୍ତୁ skill ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ନା skill ହେଉଛି after having learning something ଯଦି ଆମେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଲର୍ନ କରୁଛେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଲାଇକ୍ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଦେଖୁଛେ ଆନାଲିସିସ୍ କରୁଛେ ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଯେଉଁଟା ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଶିଖୁଛେ କୌଶଳ ଯେଉଁଟା ଆମେ କହୁଛେ ରାଇଟ୍ ତ ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ଏଠି ଟ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖେଇଲାନି ଦ ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ସୋଡ୍ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ସ୍କିଲ୍ in keeping the damaged car under control so error rohuchi part b re why na instead of great talent here we can write what skill clear can it talent rohuchi bhul talent କାହିଁକି ଭୁଲ ରହୁଛି ନା because ସେ ତାର driver skill ଅଛି the driver is he is very skilled in his profession okay then coming to the next question 9 when I entered the bathroom I saw a snake crawling on the ground okay when I entered the bathroom I saw a snake crawling on the ground see I think there is no error why because ground okay आमे जोटा ground कहूचे पूरा like तले जोटा आमे कहूचे so when I entered the bathroom I saw a snake crawling on the ground ठीक अच्छे so there is no error but मुझे तो particularly कहिबी कि if I'll take another example there is no compartment for you isn't it तो आमे generally सही जगह यूज करिबा कि there is no place there is no room for you that is room in the sense there is no space for you there is no place for you okay तो ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ sentence ଆମର vary କରୁଛି ତ ଆମେ ସେଇ case ରେ ଦେଖିବା whether the uses of the noun is correct or not so here the snake was crawling on the ground definitely of course the snake was crawling on the ground so here in this question number 9 there is no error in the sentence so there is no error right okay and I have skipped the no error option here okay then the sceneries of Taj Mahal it is very clear to all of you because we all know that the scenery like we cannot select the sceneries the scenery of Taj Mahal is very charming the scenery of Jammu Kashmir is very charming clear the particularly jodi ame kahibe ki like the surroundings okay the surroundings of this atmosphere is like marvelous तो हमें सही केस यूज करिबा that is surroundings but here the scenery is the beautification the beautifying or the like beauty okay so the scenery of Taj Mahal is very charming so instead of sceneries it is very common to all of you so we can use scenery so here the error is in part A next number 11 if you have a way with words a good sense of design and administration ability you may enjoy working in high pressure world of advertising if you have a way with words a good sense of design and administration ability you may enjoy working see ତ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏ क्वेश्चनଟାକୁ ଭଲରେ ଦେଖିବା ଏଠି କ'ଣ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଅଛି ए गुड सेंस ऑफ डिजाइन एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हो तो ठीक है क्योंकि डिजाइन एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एबिलिटी वी मे एंजॉय वर्किंग in high pressure world of advertising see the first phrase if you have a way with words okay ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରପର वे ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ଡର ପ୍ରପର वे ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ରାସ୍ତା words तो words it the here it kahinki na what type like uncountable noun. So here we cannot take the plural form of the words, right? Or the plural form of the noun what. Rather you have to delete. Here you have to delete the ACR. See, this is very, very important. I am telling you repeatedly. Okay, go through the proper rules, go through the proper ways so that you can catch all the errors in the sentence. Then, question number 12. I want to buy one of this candy for my younger brother. I want to buy. ये तो ठीक अच्छे. One of this candy. See, matter रहिला इठी. One of these. One of फिर these अच्छी. Okay. This is a demonstrative pronoun, but it is plural अच्छी. तमने किसी गोटे plural noun रो आमे किसी गोटे कोचे कि one of this candy. So here candy is नहीं. If I say I have taken one of these books, isn't it? बहुत सारा बुक्स अच्छे ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଭିତରୁ ଗୋଟାଏ ନେଲି. Similarly there are many candies and I want to buy one of these candies. Okay, so here instead of candy we can use that is the plural form, that is candies. Clear? So I want to buy one of these candies for my younger brother. Okay students, I hope you got it. Then okay, next question. I think these are the very important questions for you. Next question. The Allahabad High Court. See, mu level low level higher level जाऊँगी. So please watch it carefully with a better understanding as possible. As the Allahabad Court on Monday dismissed a plea from private power procedures seeking relief from an RBI diktat to banks to take cognizance of a stress loan if repayments were missed even by a day. Again, the Allahabad High Court on Monday dismissed a plea from private power procedures seeking relief. Guys, see what is relief? Okay, here relief means what? Like something like chutkana or something like ଆମେ କହିବା କି like କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ relax ହେଇଯିବା, something relaxing. Okay, so power procedure seeking relief ନାହିଁ. Here we have to use instead of relief, what is that? Relief. Okay, here we can use relief because here it is the noun seeking relief from an RBI diktat. Relief ନାହିଁ. Why? Because relief is something like that. आमे सिक करुचे गोटे नाउन को सिक करुचे, isn't it? The relief sick आमे करुचे. Okay, relaxing sick करुचे. Then next question. So here I think I'm telling you here the error is in part A. Okay, instead of relief the right answer will be relief. Then the Turkish lira, which has lost almost half its value this year, is another currency in doldrum. Okay, so it problem asipare mind re apan manakar ki the Turkish lira which has lost almost half of its value. See, half of its value. See, half of तो ये पॉजिटिव जदि आम कौचे कि हाफ ऑफ इट्स वैल्यू सेटा भी सही हम ठीक हम जदि आम कौचे हाफ इट्स वैल्यू ये भी राइट करेक्ट हम कहीं बेले बेले समटाइम्स एमती क्वेश्चन आसे कि जदि आम ऑफ यूज करुचे पॉजिटिव रही right, जदि possessive use करुचे but here half of its value and I think most applicable answer होगा कि half of or half its value this year is another currency in doldrum. The Turkish lira which has lost almost half its value and तापर भी आम ये नाउन रो देखुचे, right? So you have to like हमको नजरअंदाज करिबो से मिस्टेक टा कहीं ना ये both way रे correct ही पारे. So we cannot have the proper judgment over that. So the Turkish lira which has lost almost half its value this year is another currency in doldrum. So what is the meaning of doldrum? तो ये क्वेश्चन आसु थाई पारे कि स्टूडेंट्स डोलड्रम माने कौन, तो ये अपन नोट डाउन करि पारिबे. डोलड्रम मीन्स व्हाट? A state of period of stagnation or depression. एटा गोटे पर्टिकुलर पीरियड कथा आम कौचे जोटा कि आम स्टाग्नेशन रोचे डिप्रेशन रोचे किसी गोटे वैल्यू आम लॉस करेचे किसी गोटे फाइनेंशियल क्रंच रे आम अच्छे सो तुर्किश लिरा व्हिच हैज लॉस्ट ऑलमोस्ट हाफ ऑफ इट्स वैल्यू दिस ईयर इज अनदर करेन्सी एक्चुअली ये प्रोब्लेम कौन हो नाउन रे गोटे आर्टिकल मिस कर मिस हो जाए तो से आर्टिकल आमको यूज करा पड़ेगा why because here the period or the particular state of period of stagnation or depression ये गोटे particular period कथा बुझाऊँ so error रोचे part C रे why now here we have to use the Turkish lira which has lost almost half its value this year is another currency in the doldrums okay in the doldrums so and here आमको ये error रोचे part C रे before doldrum we have to use the article the. Next question. I have read many plays of Soj who is called the Shakespeare of our age. So I have read एबे भी मैं कहूली पॉजिटिव रो कथा मु पढ़ाई नाउन केसेस रे पढ़ाई पार्ट 3 रो नाउन रे I have read many plays Soj who is called so here see here it is already the possessive of रही जाइए so we cannot say this is the book of Rams we cannot say rather we will say this is Ram's book ओके तो जदि गोटे सेंटेंस रे पॉजिटिव रहुची अपोस्ट्रोफ एस रहुची सो वी आर स्ट्रिक्टली we have to obey that of यूज करिबा नहीं so the sentence I am again telling you with the correct with the correction I have read many plays of Shaw who is called the Shakespeare of our age ठीक अच्छे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा I don't want to bring her to my home because her rashness is quite intolerable okay कहीं ना इठी गोटे आमर सेंटेंस रोचे कि I don't want to bring her to my home अच्छा जेन्युइनली होम कोठी यूज करा जाए जदि आम जेनराली होम भी यूज करूचे त माने कौन always remember which sentence or wherever you will use the word home that ultimately indicates your own home clear तो home कहले आमको बुझा पड़ो कि निजर हो गोटे सेंटेंस रे जदि रहउची so I don't want to bring her to my home that is maybe आम कहि पारिबा इठी हमरो होची सुपरफ्लस माने लाइक आम जदि कहूचे कि ज्यादा नेसेसरी टू ज्यादा ओके लाइक आम जदि कहबा कि एक्स्ट्रा भागान गोटे जिनस होची एंड ताठू सेटा मोर रहउची clear so here I don't want to bring her to my home because her rashness is quite intolerable so ethi amar error rochi part b re kahinki we should not use my here although home is here that ultimately refers that it's your home or it's my home or it's our home so no need not to use any possessive pronoun here okay then or you can say personal pronoun here because my his her yours so all are the personal right then because her rashness it's quite intolerable this is very ordinary meaning I think you hope understand then next question he is chiefly question number 17 he is chiefly concerned with his own problems but you say that his is not again he is chiefly concerned with his own problems but you say that his is not see his OJT like possessive pronoun okay so here we cannot use his but you say that his is not tar you cannot say rather we will say he is not okay so error amar roche part d re so instead of his we must use he is not then coming to question number 18 a friend of my wife came to me yesterday and asked me for some money. A friend of my wife came to me yesterday and asked me for some money. See, in this sentence, a friend of my wife, I think it is very like approachable thing. A friend of my wife came to me yesterday and asked me for some money. ये तो बहुत genuine कथा अच्छी and ये किसी error भी नहीं money ठीक अच्छी my wife वो भी सेटा भी ठीक अच्छी so here we have to I think there is no error right so हमको देखा पड़ेगा सेंटेंस एक्चुअली ये ठीक अच्छी कि नहीं ठीक एंड ये देखिए फ्रेंड ऑफ माय वाइफ वी कैन नॉट से फ्रेंड ऑफ माय ओन वाइफ ओके जब से टाइप किसी आसूची कन्फ्यूजन ताको माइंड रू हटई दियंतो so here the answer is that is no error then question number 19 unfortunately for me the root cause of my frustration lies in the government's dubious policy. Unfortunately for me, the root cause of my frustration lies in the government's dubious policy. So, kahara dubious policy? Dubious means nothing else, confusion. Dubious means chaos, something which is not clearly, and something, or you can say, which is very unclear for us. So, unfortunately for me, the root cause of my frustration lies in the governments. Kahara policy governments. So here it is the error because kahara na government. So here you have to mention possessive here governments. Okay, so the error is in part C and we have to use governments. Kahara policy government policy. So apostrophe is we have to put here. So our error is in part C. Then next question. He suggested to me that I should go to the nursery to bring some beautiful summer's flowers. See, it is the right. He suggested to me that I should go to the nursery to bring some beautiful summer's flowers. Here it is the error. Why? Because error is in part D actually. Why? Now we cannot use your summers. Summers semti kichi not hai. Summers flower, winter flower or rainy flower. Okay, and here we have to use summer flower. It's very clear. କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ particular season ର ରହୁଛି timing ର ରହୁଛି so here we have to avoid the apostrophe s and after all this is the non-living thing. Okay, so here the error is in part here the error is in part D, right? So here we have to use what only summer. Then question number 21. When Jaya and Shama came across Jyoti, they caught one another hands and talked for a while. When Jaya and Shama came across Jyoti, they caught one another hands. Right, one another. Right, Johnny, like one another. So here the mistake is here. Kahinkina paraspar, right? One another's. Each other you cannot say, right? Jadi ame कहबे each other. If they are quarreling, if they are doing something, if they are cooperating, then we must here use each other. So never be perplexed here. Okay, and the right one will be see caught one another's. Here we have to mention apostrophe s. When Jaya and Shama came across Jyoti, they caught one another's hands and talked for a while. Okay, I think you understand. Then, next question. Everybody should be careful to fulfill the society demands and thereby show his attachment to it. Everybody should be careful to fulfill the society demands. Okay, and here the sentence is given. Everybody should be careful to fulfill the society demands. କାହାର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ନା ସୋସାଇଟିର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଓକେ ସୋ ଆମକୁ ଏଇଠି ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ୱାଇ ବିକଜ୍ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ଆମକୁ ଦେଇଛି ସ୍ପେଶିଆଲି ଦେଇଛି ସ୍ପେସିଫିକେସନ୍ କରିଛି କି ସୋସାଇଟିର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ so mistake is here the error is in part B and here we have to use apostrophe s and thereby show his attachment to it. Okay, so and here it is the question that this kind of question may be asked in your exam that where you have to avoid the apostrophe or the possession and where we have to maintain the possession or possessive. Okay, so please be careful for it. आम कौ जगह यहाँ को अवॉइड करवा तो कौ जगह मेंशन करवा. Then coming to the next one. I postponed him going to Delhi tonight as I wanted him to deal with one of my major problems. I posted him going to Delhi tonight as I wanted him to deal with one of my major problems. Okay, अच्छा I postponed him तारो Delhi जिबार जो थिला जो तारो Delhi जिबार जो एक्टिविटी थिला मैं ताको पोस्टपोन कर देली तारो Delhi जिबार नहीं कि ताको मु पोस्टपोन कली. Clear? So here you have to keep the thing in your mind. I postponed not him going, rather you have to use I postponed he is going to Delhi tonight as I wanted him to deal with one of my major problem. So here we have to use not like positive, okay, his, isn't it? So here we have to use his, not him. It is the like wrong uses. Okay, then so our error rohuchi part A re, I postponed his going to Delhi tonight as I wanted him to deal with one of my major problem. Clear? Then 24 ku jiva. He told her that he had ever seen her with his mind's eye. He told her that he had ever seen her with his mind's eye. Okay, so I think the word here ever must be confused. See, if we are telling the word, it may be placed, or we can say it may be, but by just ignoring the word, even here we have to take the error. Here we have to make the error in the sentence. He told her that he had ever seen her with his mind's eye. So mind's it possessive already apostrophe hai ki achi mind's eye. So in the sentence there is no error. We cannot say na his mind eye. Okay, तो कहेंगे ना his mind eye, mind फिर eye, ये दीटा पार्ट्स रोज, दीटा organ रोज. तो definitely mind's eye माने तार जो हम जो कहवा like perception. Actually mind's eye here refers to the word perception. So here there is no error. Okay, then coming to the last question. India and China's present condition clearly indicate that both the countries will face a lot of problems in the coming time. मुझे रूल से पढ़ला बेले गोटे कही कि जदि दीटा नाउन जदि दीटा नाउन रोचे कि गोटे कमन थिंग्स आर पर्टिकुलर कमन गोटे रिजन को से बुझाऊँ गोटे कमन कनेक्टिविटी से रिफर करुँच तो आम से यूज करवा कमन रे जमती कि मुझे कही गोटे एग्जांपल लाइक प्रिया एंड रियार फादर. Okay, so here you have to use Priya and Riya's father. कहीं ना सेठी दुईटा पर्सन प्रिया एंड रिया अच्छा से गोटाए नाम सहित कनेक्टेड होती राइट कि प्रिया एंड रियास एक्चुअली वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन द फादर isn't it? So Priya or Riya are father, but एठी हम कौन करूची ना see here there are two different entities over, right? Here there are two different entities. What are the different entities? India and China. Okay, so as India and China there are two different entities, so we are bound to use here India's and China's. Okay, तो बारंबार कहूँ गोटे गोटे जिनस आमको टिके रूल्स फॉलो करिया को पड़िबा. जदि दीटा नाउन गोटाए पर्पज को क्रिएट करूछंती ताले आमे सेठी कहबा कि इंडिया एंड जदि आमे कले कहबा कि राइट जेमति कहली प्रिया एंड रियास फादर. But here India and China दीटा कंट्री different problem रोचे, but India's and China's present condition clearly indicate that both the countries will face a lot of problem. There are two different entities, so different entities पाइंका हमको apostrophe s use करिया को पड़ेगा. So again I am telling you, India's and China's present condition clearly indicate that both the countries will face a lot of problems in the coming time. Okay, तो error रोचे part A रे. Clear? So this was for today. आगो को भी मैं बहुत सारा questions नहीं क्या आसेबे which will be very well like benefit for you people for your exam perspective. Okay, then आम like जीवा simultaneously next next जहाँ भी रोची grammar session तो next जीवा. Okay, so have a patience and you have to as you know na the like practice makes a human perfect, right? So you have to practice gradually. Clear? Okay, so thank you for watching it. Okay, and have a good day.